Hi, I'm Jake. I'm really looking forward to keynoting for the NWPPA's Alaska Electric Utility Conference in November. In this keynote, you'll pick up a skill that changed my life when I first learned it as a 19-year-old firefighter. That skill was so powerful and so practical that I've been using it ever since then for more than 30 years. It's the single best method I've ever seen to help teams build expertise and trust and learn quickly from every job we do. It's called an after-action review. I've used them when I served as a firefighter, as an EMT, and as a military paratrooper. Experts in aviation and special operations forces use after-action reviews to debrief nearly every mission they run, but desk workers can absolutely use them as well. And here's the best part. In this keynote, you won't just learn about after-action reviews, you'll actually get to do a real-world, hands-on after-action review right during the keynote. And if you like what you've heard so far about the keynote on Wednesday, November 18th, then you might love the workshop that I'll be leading the day before on Tuesday, the 17th. After action reviews will be just one of the 7 practical steps that we'll explore, and everyone in that workshop will get one of these handbooks too. Hope to see you in Anchorage.